Hello guys, good afternoon. In this video I will try I'm thinking about what we call a paid subscribed channel. Okay, now what does it mean? It means that I will make a channel, I put videos about my training and my strategy, but this for the long run. It is not as I train people for a short time like I do right now. Okay, because when I do a short time, I give all my strategy in 2 sessions in some hours. Okay, so it's very intense and concentrated and a lot of information at the same time. Some beginners, they can digest all the information I give them, although the information I give them, they are very simple. Okay, so some of the subscribers they give me an idea, but for me, I'm just thinking about it because it needs a lot of reflection, a lot of thinking. Now, in YouTube, they don't let you have a subscription paid channel until you get 10,000 subscribers. Now, for me, I have no 10,000 subscribers. I have around 1,800 subscribers. So what I should do, I will check other video providers. There are a lot, and I see which is the best for me, okay, and for my subscribers. Okay, now anyone can go to that channel. It should be a monthly payment, and you will be with me the whole year. So I'm trying to set it up and to see how can I run it. I'm thinking about one video of a lesson and another video answering your questions. These people who are subscribed only. Okay, so it's not free like YouTube. Now here in YouTube, I'm giving free information, and this information, if you follow all the videos, you will find a lot of crucial information that if you just apply them, believe me, your account when you are trading, it will change from a loser to a winner. At least I will cut a lot of your expenses that you don't know what you are doing. You go and you think that you are doing day trading, you don't know how to trade, and you do 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trades. Okay, you don't know what you are doing, and you have a lot of problems. It's not just a big problem of you don't know how to trade. There are other problems. Problems of commission. If you are spending $20, $30, $40 just for commission each day, you are entering, exit out, entering, exit out. Okay, because you can't compete with professional. Professional, you know, they are there to take your money, and you don't know. Okay, you don't know how to trade. So who is the winner? There are 2 winners. Your broker is a winner because he will take all your money. This is for sure, especially when you have small account. When you have 1,000, 2,000, okay, and you trade 30, 40, 50 trades in a month. If you multiply 30 or 40, 50, let's say you do 50 per month. Now 50 by, for example, the minimum by 5 is 250. If you are spending 7 or 10, that is too much. All your money is going to the broker without losing money. Just because you trade a lot, all your money goes to the broker. But some people, they don't understand this. So what you should do, you should see your account and you see what are you doing. Some people, they don't want to see their problems. They want just to have a magic strategy. Okay? Some people, they tell me, oh, what are these stocks? Give me a stock, and they make money. So it's better to learn how to trade. Don't rely on people. Okay? For me, when I use the other service, when some people, they ask me for stocks, I tell them just try 1 month only. Don't pay the whole year or something. Just 1 month. And try to see yourself. Because it's not only you get stocks or you don't get stocks. The problem is yourself. You have problems. And if you don't solve these problems, you will never see the money. Because the money is there. But you don't preserve your money. Okay? So, for those who want to learn step by step, they are not in a rush. Okay? And they want to learn either from my free videos or my paid subscription. Now, paid subscription, it should be a detailed video. When I give you a detailed video, we try to see something specific, one thing each time. Okay? It's not I give you my strategy in 1 week or 2 and you pay $50. No, never. I will never do that, because this it's not. It's unfair. Someone pays the full price and you pay nothing and you get it for free. Okay? So understand that it is a continuous education. Now, when we do a video, I will explain one thing at a time. Too much explanation, too much examples. Now, what you do is you work. Okay? You practice what you learn. For me, I give you theory and practice, but I am practicing myself. So you can't progress if you don't progress. You can't progress if you don't work and put some work in your trading. Okay? My strategy or any other strategy and what we call learning process is like when we have meat. Okay, sorry for those who are vegetarian. Okay, it's like meat. You should chew the meat in order to eat it, and then swallow it. You cannot. Okay, it's not juice. My strategy is not juice. I give it to you in a cup. You drink it in a few seconds, and then you become like Hulk. And in a few seconds, you change from a small man, and you become like Hulk, which is a very, very powerful, strong monster man. It is not. In life, when you want to learn something, you should need time and practice, skills. These skills are acquired through time and practice. It is not something, for example, I will tell you, can you become a doctor in 1 day or 1 week or 2 or 1 month or 2? You can't. You need 4 years or 5 years with studying, with exams, with paying $250,000 in order to be a doctor. Now, some people come to trading and they think trading is just magic. It's just like some people online say, they try to make it like gambling. Okay, bring 1,000, 2,000, do like me, and from 1,000 I have $1 million in 1 year. Now these guys, you know, I don't want to say to them that they are liars or something, but they sell a dream to the people. I am too honest. I am not selling you a dream. I am teaching you how to become professional trader. This needs time, needs skills, needs practice, needs money. If you don't have the money later when you want to trade, okay, at least when you want to have money, to have a profit. Let's say, I'll give you an example. If you have $10,000 and you have, let's say, you do the same as me, you get 52% or 50% a year. It's a year, it's not in a week as the other guy told me. Okay? So from 10,000 you will get 5,000 a year. This is good. You are excellent if you can get that. But some people, like someone who I gave him my phone, he called me. I say, what is your expectation? He told me, I need 4,000 a week. And I said, how much you have? He said to me, he has 5,000. And I told him, from where do you get this idea that from 5,000 you can get 4,000 in a week? Who tells you this? If someone tells you this, go to him, pay him whatever you ask, and good luck. Good luck with you. And when you become a millionaire, when you become a millionaire, that is the goal of anyone. Okay? Now, stop dreaming. Okay? If you want to do lottery tickets and you buy a ticket and you scratch it all your life, do it. You might have one day 400 million, as they say. Do it all your life. Maybe you are lucky. But here in the business of trading, there is no luck. It is skills. Okay? You acquire skills through training. And you should do your homework. It's not someone else who do your homework and you get the money. Okay? So, what I'm proposing now is subscribe to the channel. And I haven't set it up. It's just an idea that some people told me, some subscribers, they told me, what is it? What if it could be like a subscribed channel or something? But I'm thinking about it, and it needs 1 month or 2 or more or less. I have no idea on how to set it up. But it could be different from YouTube. Okay, because YouTube, I give you lessons that are specific, but they are general. Now when I explain to you to a certain extent. I can't give you more information about my strategy for free. It's impossible. Okay? No one in this life is working for free. Okay? If you do, I give a lot of things for free. Okay? Which I don't mind. Okay? I have made around 615 videos from last year to this year. So I don't mind giving more information to the people to understand trading, to take these dreams of their mind, okay? To be logical, to do a business, to have some money, to learn, to do some skills. And then when you are powerful, you save some money and you begin trading. Okay? At least you have the basic thing in trading. You have set up the basic thing. Now you try to build yourself later. Because in trading, each time you have experience, you will discover new ways to trade. So there is no one way to trade. If you are making the money, you are excellent. You have the best strategy. Whatever you do, either you do stocks or options or futures or forex, whatever you do, okay? If you are making the money, that is the objective of trading. But don't rely on hope. You say, I buy the stock today and I hope tomorrow it will go up. There is no hope in trading. In trading there is what we call probabilities. It's math. You say, if I buy it today, is there a probability that tomorrow it go up? If you have high probability, you buy it. But if you think that the stock is not going to go up, why you buy it? You don't buy because of the news of the TV shows about these scammers online. You don't buy because of that. You buy because of your own judgment. Your own judgment, it means you decide for which stock you buy and to sell, and you are responsible for that. Responsible, it means if you succeed, you say, I succeed because of my own work. Okay? Now, if you fail, you say, I fail because of my own work. The market 200 years ago, it's the same. Some stocks go up, some stocks go down. It's up to you where you want to be. Now, you say, I don't know. Okay, should learn. There is no other way. Or you practice by yourself for many years until you reach that kind of skill. Okay? So, I think that paid subscription, which is a channel, monthly subscription, I think it's better for a lot of beginners who want assistance the whole year. And then if I made a video which is a very detailed video about one thing, I will let in the same week students to ask questions about this same thing we study in the week, and then I will answer all. It means I will answer your question about that. Okay? At least you have theory and you go to practice and then you ask questions and then we practice. Each week is the same. Now, if you get to learn one thing each week, for sure, okay? For example, if you know how to manage your account, just an example, how many trades you do, what is the expectancy of your life expectancy of your account. Small accounts, they have a lot of challenges because you don't have money. You see, for example, a stock that it is so good, but because you don't have money, you can't buy it. So what you should do? It's a problem. Okay? I don't say bring 100,000, 200,000. No. But at least if you begin with 10,000, 15,000, that is, let's say, I don't say the minimum, but it's good. It's good to begin like that. But if you have $500, 200, 1,000, you can train yourself. It's good. I don't say it's not good. You train yourself with whatever money you have. It's very good. But don't expect to make money from this, because just commission will take all your profit. Okay? Some people, they can work by virtual account. You can have a virtual account, or you can use my chart if you have bought my book, and you put a portfolio, a lot of portfolio. You put stocks in watch list and watch them. Okay? If you have my strategy, it will be very easy. You just follow it and choose the best stocks, and that's it. You should to practice, and practice. Okay? If you don't understand something, ask a question. Stick for me, for example, some people, most of the people, they are very good. It means they ask questions about the video I do. But some other questions, other people, they ask questions which is not related to the video. So it's okay always to ask questions, but it's preferable that for you, if you don't understand something in the video, you should ask about the video itself. Okay? You shouldn't ask questions, or if you have questions, you can send a private message with whatever questions you want. Okay? Some people are following me from the beginning, which is very, very good, and they are learning for free, which is very good. But what I am proposing in my subscribed channel, I am proposing something more detailed and about my strategy itself. Okay? About my strategy itself. I'm not doing other people's strategy or mixing day trading with swing trading with investing. Okay? Because you should never mix styles of trading. For example, if you want to specialize in day trading, you should always see any information about day trading. Forget about swing trading. Okay? Because you are a beginner. You can't just switch. Sometimes you are a day trader, tomorrow you are a swing trader, and then you say I invest in this stock. No, you can't succeed like this. Okay? If you are an investor, you want to invest little money by little money. This is another thing. So you should maybe see channels that give you information about investing, because investing, you need to see the company, you need to see a lot of things. Okay? Or you can just, if you don't want to let someone run your money, so you should use mutual funds or ETFs. Okay? Use that thing is better, because you don't worry about anything. You just put your money there, and the manager will manage the money. So if you get the money in 10 years or 20 years, you are good. If you don't get the money, it's your problem, because you give him your money. That's it. But for me, I prefer to manage my money by myself. If I do mistakes, it's okay. It's my money. I don't blame anyone. I blame myself, because I do wrong decisions. But if you give your money to someone else to run, like other investment, like mutual funds, like ETFs, like 401k, like the other thing, understand that there is a big risk in the market. Sometimes the market, you should not stay in the market when there is no direction. 1 day or two up, 3 days down, 4 days up, 2 days down. So there is no direction at all. So if there is no direction, why you are trading? Why you are losing your money? Okay? For me, I choose the best of the best stocks. Stocks that are strong, they go up very quick. I don't want to waste my time for this kind of zigzag stocks, going up, going down, going up, going down. I can't follow them, because I don't see the money. When I see the money, the stock will go up few days. Then we have small correction. Then it goes few days, small correction. It means it can go 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, up. And then one day or two, down. It's just because some people are selling. Like swing traders, they are selling. They don't want to stay more. But this is okay. Other people will come and buy again. That's why you see it goes up it goes down a little bit, then it goes up many days, it goes up. And then you can see the trend. Now, when you see the trend, it depends if the trend continues, but sometimes the trend will stay 1 year or 2 years. Believe me, I have showed you some stocks that in 2 years they are in a big trend. Now, you can't see those kind of stocks because you don't search and you don't know how to search. If you find these kind of stocks when the whole trend is set up and you see the trend is set up, so it's probable it might be going up again, but probably it can go down, and because all the people will sell and you come at the end. It's like when we have a party. Okay, someone invites you to the party and it says it's at 9 p.m. Okay? Now you come at 12 at the end of the party. People are leaving and you are coming to have a party. Okay? Everything is eaten, everything is drink. All the people, they get tired of dancing and doing whatever. So you come at the end. All the cakes have been eaten. So everything is done. You come at the end. What do you expect? You expect the market to stop for you? And you ask the market to go for 10 days or 1 month or 2 and you put your money? There is no sure thing in the market. That's why you should be prepared. You should put in your mind that tomorrow you don't know what will happen. So the market will not stay where it's going. Sometimes it's going up, sometimes it's going down. But sometimes when we have a big trend, people are discovering the stocks or the trend and they are buying. They are buying for long. So you should search for those stocks. Those stocks, you will never find them. I will show you some stocks. You will never find them online. Never. Why? Because you get money from them. Who is online will give you stocks like this? They are professional people who discover these stocks because they see mutual funds are buying them. Okay? Since they are buying them, they see that the trend begins. They see it. It's the beginning of the trend. Now you don't want to search. You don't want to train yourself. You don't want skills. You don't want nothing. You want someone who gives you a stock that it is 100% it goes up. Who knows? But the people, they risk their money at the beginning of the trend. They risk. It might go down, but they lose a little bit. There's no problem with that. Because losing is part of the game. Okay? If you don't want to do this game of stock market, go and do another business. If you are scared, someone told me, send me an email, he tell me, I want to learn, I want to take your training, but I don't want to lose. I say, okay, stop here. Losing money is part of the game. If you don't want to lose, please go and find someone else to teach you or go and do another business. I can't lie about this because it's the market. You choose the best stock today and you buy it. Tomorrow it goes down. So there is no sure things. The people who work on the market work on probabilities. The traders, the true traders, professional traders. Now, others, they don't want to risk their money. Who are they? Brokers, hedge funds, mutual fund managers, all the people who take commissions, who take fees, investment companies, they don't want to risk their money, so they risk other people's money. Okay? Like 401k. You are risking your money in the market. But the company that runs the 401k, it does not risk money. but it gets fees from your account. Wherever you put something, they take something now. They don't wait 20 years or 30 years until they get their profit. Okay? So you should think about this. If trading is not what you are looking for, okay, there is a lot of risk. You should go to something, another business that it has less risk and you can manage it very well. This depends on the person. Are you a risk taker, or are you want the safest investment? The safest investment is not in the stock market. Believe me, there is no safest. I have seen some videos online, and the guy say how to invest safely. I send him an email or a comment. I say there is no safe investing or trading. What does it mean, safe? Do you mean that you know the future and the stock will not go down? How do you know? You don't know, and no one knows. You, as a beginner, and me, and another guys, even the Wall Street guys, no one knows what stock will go up. If they know, they can sell everything they have in their life. They can sell their house, their car, everything. If, for example, tomorrow you know a stock that goes from $20 to $25, just okay, you are sleeping, an angel comes to you from God and tells you, hey man, this stock, it's called Facebook, tomorrow it goes from 50 to 60. Buy it, sell your house, sell everything, stay 1 month, you will be rich. That's it. So you wake up with a good idea. Okay? And you go and you sell your house, you sell your car, and you put all your money, and after 1 month you will be rich. Okay? But the good thing or the bad thing is that there is no angels that coming no more, because the people are not prophets. So God will not send someone to you. Believe that. Okay? So you should do it by your own. You should do it by your own, because no one knows the future. Now I keep repeating the same thing sometimes, because some beginners, they don't really understand what's going on in the stock market. They think that the stock market, some people are clever than the other. Like professional traders, they are clever. They have high IQ. They are Harvard students or Oxford students, and they have a high intelligence above everybody else. No. Maybe you find a stupid person making too much money from the market, but he's stupid with a low IQ, but he can make the money. And you find some people who are genius, who are mathematicians, but they can't make the money because the way they think is false about the market. Okay? Or a scientist, or an engineer, or a doctor, or a physician. Okay? So you should, if you understand how the market is working, you can come up with a strategy. If you know the direction, you will make the money. If you don't know the direction, you do probabilities. That's it. Okay? And hope you understand like this snapshot, a snapshot of what I'm saying. And I'm waiting for some comments for this paid subscription channel, and hope I will find a way to make it. For me, it's not important if a lot of people come or not. For me, it's just some people who need it. When some people, they need solid training month by month, and they don't pay that much. This is my goal. It's just to help those who can't afford it. Now, a lot of people, they send me emails, and they comment, they say, okay, I can't make it like a pay for the whole training. I can't. But I want to learn. Okay, so I give a solution for those. Okay, for those who can't afford to pay at once. But some people, they ask me to pay little by little for my training. No, because someone because my training is just for those who can afford it and they need it right now. Some people, they trade and they don't know what's the problem in their trading, so I help them. Okay, so this is for training most of the time for people who have maybe intermediate level. Okay, and they are serious, or they are beginners, but they are very, very serious to at least begin to practice this year. Okay, and maybe next year they begin to have money. So it's all about you. You need to practice. There is nothing that in 1 day or 2 you become professional trader. Believe me, you need 2 years to 5 years. This put in your mind, and you should work. It's not you just open an account, sleep for 1 year or 2 or 3 or 4, and then you wake up 5 years later and you say, oh, I don't make the money, so how come I am not a professional trader? 2 or 5 years is you work, you do the hard work, and then when you know how to trade, and then the money will come easily to you when you know how. Okay, when you practice. And this is the heart of trading. You practice. You understand something? Practice it always. Practice. Write notes. Put your rules. Okay, I understand this idea, so I should put the explanation, I put examples, and I practice. Okay? And my chart, believe me, you go everywhere online, you will never find the same chart as I'm using. Even some people, they show me charts that they pay hundreds of dollars, but it is so static. You can't even change very quick the days or the years. It's so boring, these charts. Okay, and all this chart, they don't include the industries and stocks. So when you are searching, you should know the stock, and you should use another service, or you should use another website, and you begin searching, which is very, very boring, and it takes time for you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have any ideas about this paid channel subscription, or you know some websites that provide this, please send me a private message and I will check them. I have seen some, but I'm trying to think which one is the best for you guys. Thank you very much.